Hello everyone. Did you know that if I say one thing that you can build your own AI powered application in just a few minutes without writing any single line of code? So today I'm gonna to introduce one playground that is from the AWS. We call it as a AWS PartyRock, which is using the Amazon Bedrock foundation models and give you the playground where you can play and create your POCs and prototypes and your AI powered applications that will help you at your startup companies also, your own applications as well. If you are a developer, that you can also do some testing on it. If you are an HR, it is quite easy for you and it will help you at your hiring procedure. So let me tell you some of the advantages. What is this AWS PartyRock? It's completely a no-code AI app builder by the AWS. So you just bring text, images, chatbots, means you can build all this by just drag and dropping them. Since it is using the AWS Bedrock foundation models, it is very good choice for the students, startups and professionals who wants to build their official websites by using the AWS PartyRock. So let me tell you some of the advantages. First, go AWS PartyRock. You can just type. So as of now, it is free only. If you see this one, PartyRock Home, so it's not asking any subscription or something. If you see here, without login only, you can actually see this console. And if you do login, do your login with your Google account. Here you can give a name. And then India Hyderabad, that's enough. Now you can do some checks. So confirm the human. Choose all the clocks. Okay. So that's it. Now you are at your playground right now. So generate app. Welcome back. So what you are searching for the application, content writing, career development, work profession, art and design, and learning and education. If you go in the left side, you can see the apps that are already, some templates are already available, and even you can create your own by giving any prompt. So snapshots. So if you have your app output, then you can check it in the snapshots. The playlist, here you can check all your playlist whatever you've done. And if you go here, create an image, if you give one prompt here, it will actually create an image, even though you can create your YouTube thumbnails or your ads, all this here from this PartyRock. And if you go to the backstage, so this is some of the guide that you can use. So let me try something. Go to the apps and you can see here message rewriter, AI role playing game, resume optimizer, and discover Amazon Nova Canvas. So if I go here, AWS exam practitioner tool, learn prompt engineering, Amazon Nova text playground, and team building exercise generation. You can use any of these. If you're creating new one, then you can go to generate app section and you can even generate it. For example, resume optimizer. If you click on this resume optimizer, you are trying for a job. Example, let me search some job and let me enter here. I have a job description here, so let me give it that for a DevOps engineer, and then you can upload a sample resume. I'm going to give it here, so you can upload a sample resume here, and then here you can see if you click on this play, it will generate the match percentage is 92%. You can see the strength and weakness here it will identify. And here improvement tips that you can do, some three specific tips that it is giving to you that you can do some improvements for quantifying the security implementation like this. And so these are all the things. Even you can do some chat here. Now I'm ready to chat. So here just the thing, enter, give me the three or give me steps or bullet points to update my resume for 100% match. So when you run something like this, so it is giving you that based on your resume the job description is provided. Here the key point of the 100%, rearrange the professional summary, add specific mention CI/CD pipelines, something it is giving you very a good output that you need to do edits in your resume. So which is highly important for the job seekers who are applying jobs. If you are targeting any specific job from any specific company, you can upload your resume and give the job description and ask this party rocks and this application to summarize and give it. Okay, because since it is developed and the model is got trained already on this, it is easy that it will be identifying and giving you that. You can do with the ChatGPT as well, but I recommend to do at the here resume optimizer, since this model is over the period developed and trained on many resumes and many job descriptions. It is quite easy that to do the job for your resume from this model. So that is the one advantage from it. And if you ask any create image, you can give a sample thing. I'm asking like for my AWS party rock YouTube video, give me a attractive thumbnail. So it's a generalized answer. So now what I'm going to say, hey, act like an graphic or YouTube thumbnail maker, expert in making. And for my AWS YouTube video, give me an attractive thumbnail. So I'll just go and generate. Let's see. What? Act like a thumbnail expert. I don't like this actually. So it is generated something, a girl photo. I'm not asking this actually, but it is, might be it is hallucinated. Okay. Here I clearly mentioned that let me generate, and I'm asking that for my AWS YouTube video, give me or generate. No use. No, I didn't like it. But other things you can do. If you create any generate app here, you can describe about your app and then you can generate it. If you wanted to, you give the any prompt that you like to. I don't like really that image generation one, but if you wanted to build any application, build a manual application, so here you can describe the things and here you can add the things. Okay, so let's say introducing the variables, Play and do some enter. Okay, fine. Yes, sign up. If you add any variable, then you need to add some variables and visgets, and you can do it. So here for this app creation things, I'll be planning few applications which is really helping at the development and enterprise grade level. So I'll be going to do those video shoots on continuation of this video. I hope this video is liked, means, and if you like and interested, just please do a comment and like and then support me. So that's all for this video. If you have a chance, then go and explore this party rock. Wait for my next video. Thank you everyone.